Carry me, they go, my husband. Carry me, they go. Hi, people.
Hi, baby.
I'm not there.
I'm on a day. Carry me, they go, my husband. Carry me, they go. Hey, carry me, they go, my husband.
Carry me, they go.
Carry me, they go, my husband.
Carry me,
They go, my husband. Carry me, they go.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go.
My husband.
How na day?
How na day?
Come and look big Nash for free. How are you guys?
How are you guys doing?
Housewife.
Housewife and social media. Carry me, they go.
I want to do housewife.
I want to do a housewife duty. You know?
I clean my husband.
Clean my husband's bedroom. You know.
How are you guys?
How are you guys doing?
See my skin. See what I wear this.
See what I wear.
Cause I want to shakara with my
skin. Shakara with my skin. See, I'm raising this bed. I'm cleaning this.
With my skin.
With my cleaner.
No, easy. That's 3 children.
That's 3 children.
Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I don't get gist. See, not be that one. If it's a weekend point, a woman's G-spot is inside Toto. Okay?
Okay?
See
ya.
You took come like this. Inside for them.
Inside.
Under the clitoris. That woman G-spot.
That woman G-spot.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, not again. My G-spot is here.
My G-spot is here and alive.
You don't know what to be G-spot.
You don't know what is the G-spot.
This mattress heavy.
This is heavy.
Today's topic is how not to be jealous of people you think are better.
How not to be jealous of people you think they're better than you, alright?
Woo! That thing. It's freaking heavy. What is this?
What is this? Come on for here.
Judy, shift. It is said to call yourself a shower now for man.
It is said to call yourself a shower now mouth. Shift.
Izzy, you kiss snake in my dream.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing.
I dreamed yesterday. Now my dad does it like.
Just the.
I like. You got to come with me, Daddy. Okay, that's a very good dream.
That's a very good dream, you know.
Kiss snake. Okay. You know, say snake for dream na enemy.
You know, say snake for dream na enemy.
So if I kiss snake,
if I kiss snake for your dream.
If I kiss them for your dream, it means that I kill enemy.
It means I kill enemy.
They don't tell it's a very, very, very good dream.
It's a very
snake in the dream.
Snake in the dream
is enemy. People chasing you. People who want you down. Who want you dead. Okay. And that's the meaning of snake in the dream. By the way, as I'm doing my wife versus see my skin. If I don't need to decorate my skin for you, y'all know my skin is very beautiful. Even when I was pregnant, heavily pregnant. Okay? If you are interested in my body product, that's easy. You know they use some. Oh yes, sir.
Let's see.
You see I'm there?
You see I'm there?
That's the cream I use.
That's the cream I use.
Okay. If you want bleaching cream,
you want
this,
if you want
that,
if you want
is there.
It's there.
Okay, they'll give you if you want to maintain your skin color. You want to bleach it a little bit. Okay, she's going to give it to you. Okay, pretty JK.
Pretty JK.
No, that's how they show up. Including Nash.
My big Nash.
Okay, that's where you go.
That's where you go.
My number is there.
My number is there.
Our basket.
Our basket.
Nappy there. Nappy cream. Right. Okay.
Okay.
I come.
Enter my topic.
I come. Mark carry best friend. I beg. Judy don't come on. I don't want here. President call yourself a shower. You don't say what is all this when I wear pants. Say your way.
Wrong way.
I better come.
I better grab a food. Alright guys, that's my own part.
Carry me they go. You back carry me they go my husband house.
That's my own version of the video. So thank you for watching. Please, I would like you to leave your opinion. I and Izzy, who did it better, who did it best, you know. And also I want you to describe in your comment section whether Liz has passed my own and me own pattern. So I just want you to go in details. All right, dear. Please, leave your insults in your house. Even if you want to insult, leave them for house. But if you still insult, no wahala. That is why we are content creators. So we go to create them. All right, then. See you later.
Hi, people. How not they? Carry me they go. Jehovah, carry me they go. My husband house. Carry me they go. Jehovah, carry me they go. How not they? Come and look big yash for free. How are you guys? Housewife Sasha. I want to do housewife duty. I clean my husband's room. How are you guys? See my skin. See why I wear this thing. Because I want to come shakara with my skin. With my skin. No lakba. Alpoka. Easy. 33 children. Nonsense. Nonsense. Hi guys. I don't get this. See, not be that one. If you say weakening point, a woman's G spot is inside Toto. Okay? See, if you choke out like this, inside for there, under the clitoris, now woman G spot there. Okay? Not a guess. My G spot is here. Now lie. She don't know where to be G spots. This mattress heavy. Today's topic is how not to be jealous of people you think are better than you. All right? See? It's freaking heavy. What is this? Hey. Come on for you. Come on for you, Nana. Judy, I beg, shift. It is said to call yourself a shower now format. Shift. Izzy, you kiss snake in my dream. That's a good thing. I dreamed yesterday, me and my dad just like, you got to conquer with me, daddy. Okay, that's a very good dream, you know. Kiss snake. You know, say snake for dream na enemy. Egiano. So if I kiss snake for your dream, okay. If I kiss snake for your dream, it means say I kill enemy. What did the snake they do tell alowo ogun ogbera bishe. Ogun ogbera snake, ogun bishe snake. Ogun ogba not send the snake here. Nonsense. Ogun ogbera bishe. It's a very, very, very good dream. Snake in the dream is enemy. People chasing you, people who want you down, who want you dead, okay? And that's the meaning of snake for dream. By the way, as I'm doing my wife versus shower duty, see my skin, see. If I don't need to decorate my skin for you, y'all know my skin is very beautiful. Even when I was pregnant, heavily pregnant, okay? If you are interested in my body product, not say easy, you know they use more yes, sir. You see her there? That's the cream I use. Okay. If you want bleachy cream, you want this, you want that, it's there. Okay, they'll give you if you want to maintain your skin color. You want to bleach it a little bit, okay? She's going to give it to you. Okay, pretty J. You know, as I show off my skin, including Yash. Hey, Salopo. Onusamasie. Okay, that's where you go. Her number is there. Oh, a basket. Nappy there. A nappy cream. Right. Okay. Adekon. I enter my topic. Adekon. Adekon. Ma quick carry best friend come out for under bed. I beg. Judy, don't come out. I don't want you. Person they call yourself a shower. You they can't say what is all this when I wear pants. Oh, go boy. Sell your way. Poor way. About they come. Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. My husband house. Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. My husband house. Now they rain now. People will want to go husband house, so don't line up. Now if you want your water. My phone they ring. Oh my God. Call daddy. My papa said, "Mwah." They give me kiss. Mwah. Call daddy. Eh. The one of your friend me up your mama. Hello. How are you? Call daddy, domo sa. Domo la muka. Call daddy, wala ro, yeah, domo sa. Call daddy. Afa. Niamu, omo moro toto me roduku.
Okay, mama.
Ya finish at wege, ya wa bed, mo ebro woduku na.
Okay, mama. All right.
Call daddy later. Yeah, ciao. Domo. Speak of my dad, yeah, he calls. My pala video call to call. Want to they see my face. I shower now, still I shower, even if not you, I shower my brother. Come, my gist, come. Lade, bate way, no gumeta. Osaso, I shower, even if he goes back. So, oh, mammy, ya no go you win here. Then I son a kia. Oh, Bewa, you are right, my brother. Take 5. But sir, when my ear do wash out, you what do it say so showing here? What fear go wash out what you ever tie? Oh, yeah, but you both my brother, you are not far from the truth, so you are very, very right. I shall watch your what do it say so show. You should know. Oh, Zomana needs a way, keeping a milk by. Okay. You're very right, all right? By the way, how not to be jealous of people you think are better than you? Very easy. Believe in yourself and do better. You get it? Believe in yourself, the little you have. Stop the bully. It's enough now. We know she's better than you. Not, it be like me now. Ya call me a shower. Ya call me for telephone and swear for me. Ya call me, ya posting my yash. Ya bully me. Ya talk anything. You know what? It will not change anything. Not be you be my way put me for house. Not be you be me. You're not my family member. See my papa call now. I have an amazing father who loves me. When he first calls me, he goes say, Mwah. Once he calls me like this, the first thing my father does is, Mwah. You hear the kids? I have a father who loves me very, very, very well. If I want to listen, I listen to my father. You get me? Izzy, why did you like problem? A problem of better bishwe. I dey talk, I'm not to be jealous. So go boy. Umenea. It was a problem in. I was so good to be when and young boy. You are boss yakunlele where. I be rabonoru where a music a paisa majesty all yakunlele we. Ah? Who to what? Nonsense. Back to our topic. Back to our topic before these stupid people took my time or distract me. I have family members who loves me very much. If I want to listen to anybody, I listen to my family member. Okay? Why is it bomahere? All of them are they jealous now say, na yeki they can't support. Sisi they support yeki. If you don't notice, without hate for your mind, notice that woman. If she talk your matasmo omo yoto. Inwinere na munju izaba moji. Once it tire you, you throw it away. Okay? That's how you do inwinere. If you want gossip people matter, I'm doing wife duty today, okay? I want to look wife versus shower from my husband. If you talk about persons small, my people, rest for insight. Do 1, do 2, okay, do 10 and rest. You see, when you continue, it's like there is something you want from that person. It's like something there where you like about that person. You want to destroy that thing. You know what? You can't. You were not there when the person acquired what they have. You were not there. If they are not their publicity you defend, where you just short nika, wear pants, start to dance, open your own kitchen, sister. Leave that poor girl alone. She's had enough. Even people that once loved you are tired of you now. Leave her alone, please, we they beg you. Come back to us. Come the saga us. We know that. Why where? That's enough. We won't not the chop for your belly. If you do something small, you rest. If you're jealous of somebody, it means you're not happy with yourself. If you love yourself, you will never be jealous of anyone. Jeez. Who I want jealous? You be a shower? No. You're a responsible married woman. I am not. What you concern me and you are jealous. You get to Yoruba husband? No. Wait till you get to our jealous. You get to guest children? 1 5, 1 2 months? No. Wait till I go jealous for your body. Tell me. You new buy car? Why go they jealous you? I just bought a brand new car. Yeah, it's enough. It's her life. Leave her alone. It's enough now. Stop the jealousy. Focus on yourself. Be contented with what you have. Be happy with what you have. Who you think you are. This person they're jealous, you know how much they their bank account. You just want them to crash. It's not going to be possible. The more you do it, the more people love this person. Leave her alone. She has 2 children. We know say when they talk in saga day, I go beat people for coma. I go beat people for depression. See something. It might happen to her. Because she don't get support system for her. She's a single mother at the moment. Leave her alone. I beg. Enough now. It's too much now. Imagine I get 5 years old. I just newborn that day. All of a sudden, my husband come on for us. The next thing you come and say you won't consaga me. You do, but I mean, oh my say, it's enough. This is not hatred. This is not correction anymore. That's not what you're doing now. Pure hating. You're a troll. You're throwing her. Analyze it, don't come to bring her down. You can't do it. You were not there when she left home. You were not. You beat person small, you let them be. If you be her, leave her alone. You think say what you they do not they affect her. One person coming out every day to tarnish your name. That's enough now. No matter above in Ajena taught you key. That's enough. Now so now do me do. Then in a wegbe. And for young win for una hands. The bully, the page reporting. Only remember we never he don't lost the page finish. You idiots. Now only 1 page I don't lost for this social media. 1. And my 3 pages are monetized, you bastard. Like kill your heads. Now so you see be. A hawkers out Spain. Your evil is barbaric, it's too much. I have 3 pages that are monetized. Page were open to 3 weeks ago. It's monetized now. Imagine social media. The only way they get small change. Now people wear bad badge like this lady here. Wait to be this mommy name for you. James Subi. This woman wear bad badge for me. Thank you, man. God bless you. That's where I get my small money from. You see that £3.40? It don't gather. Okay, any four devil hey. Here wako £11 nene. A £12 that money here. That one that money for social media. That's why I make money. It's just such a way, Yashna. Don't say your video is limited for monetization. It goes against our rules and regulations. You think, you know what? I don't fucking care. I love to talk on social media. We like social media, ma we go over. E advert ni mu social media say mo we me imwegbe nenia. A criminal law now it does showcase any. I know they carry your but mommy, thank you very much, ma. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you. That's where I get my money from. Advert, I don't. Before you know it, your video goes against our timeline and enemy. You say fuck you inside and say open toto at you prick inside. I know they see money for inside. I'm not doing it because I earn money. That's why no desperation. 2 days I not do live video. I'm fine. I'm okay. I come out when I have something to say. I don't come out can't saga anybody. The man who I talked to yesterday, he used me sing bad song. You know what? These people singing evil song, they use it to tarnish your image. That music, they go play for inside boss. That music, they go play for Bini. They go play for party. They go play for anywhere. If they do the year is your better, we wear Pama Jesse. He may only do go because he got tear bonwe. Toso we begege. Imaya we sinwa. Imaya we saga. Uja mwani me pama ni fie ni fiu pegeto. Ogu we de rugwagbe. Orugwagbe wani yemani tota hiya ya sinwa. Why we saga se saga igbelu wabagbon. Why we me se na una fair trouble pass. Person go sit down there or you go group them with all your bar. Use them to sing. I say you may you use me sing. That they use sing they thank people where do good for person. They know they use sing that they find person where not find person. You get me? People go sing that song. They go play them for places. Do you know what? You're going to Belgium to perform very soon. And you're going to sing that bloody fucking song. Singing my name. When he kick in no second. This is the hate. Where did your body? This is the hate. You want to release a bomb with innocent people and they will not talk to you. Will not talk to you. You know what music is? It want a park back pay 10 years ago. 10 years pay it today. Eh, fafa. Now you don't do that. You must second uje pa majesty. Eho me maho we. Imari waka mari woga de. E ma ga gogo you money. I win egbe amu ye win egbe won mume. Stop that nonsense. Anybody will go use me sing again. E pa inwa weni. Inwa weni ma ni threatening well. Inwa weni. Talking bohio. Because yo here ba ogo mewu. Oni sane ke yo to ogo bo kan we do momo. Imam momo got to imam momo rishwe. Ogo me ke yo to. Ogo me ke yo to. Why ho no ma ho wa. Oni ya te kora mu na marimu yo to. E kora ero vi maro pade. Ero vi maro pade. Una say we defend trouble. But now not defend trouble. How dare you use me to sing stupid and useless, barbaric, evil song? How dare you do that? You sing to appreciate people who help you. What is that they call him? Tupac. You claim to be a nigga, but I fucked your wife. You know what? He and Biggie had issues. Hey, Prime Majesty, you walk out your walk there. No, not when he kick him. No, not when he kick him. Who have you lalu hobo can wear? Ah, no, not even background girl going back. Iya ga me na ya wetiti e bon ovion ba. Iya de TikTok ya fan egbeme mi nwa we. O can go viral. Ya fan egbeme mi nwa we dan nu so ni. Iwa dan. Nu so ni. Iwa bo nu so ni. We keke un we wia. Ogbialele ran bialele. Di keke un na gwa nu ya mesi wa. Abu oni suwe. Igi onu ya mesi wa. Igio. Igio. No de gbe ya ne si won ti won ni ke hwoli ahworiye. Ya de aboni ya de ya we de. Ima gwa nu wahwe. Ya de aboni ya de ya we de ogun gbeluwa. Iwon don gbeluwa second uje pa majesty. You claim to be a nigga but I fuck your wife. You fuck up kan we. Ila lu hobo kan we. Ila lawyer. Abi if you pagwe, if you pagera kishwe. Iyo mo kan we. Enye peju when ya me ma won. A music in it no de. Okay, pa married to the wife, married for wife. Equal lo da o here. Even in a me peg, na me wani. Even na me wani. You want done so. You want ma you he to taji. He second ujia. Tell you want come no what I say. Tell you want fun a bomber me down. Tell you want different a bomber. And I have no ma homa. He second ujia pa majesty. Ni je me de where you want, not de me your word. He second ujia no na yana si want done. In went pa. Huh? What do you never you're no your bar? What do you never come back bushen or support of your bar? Ah, when I come back bushwagger, a big funny you're no. Uma ke pa back. Where hockey me young one me gua. Uha! The unumeri rogume. Boba de me not counted do. I pa majesty. E pa kekeu. Weneja wuno je party. E pa ki wenu kekeu. We je party me je party. Me gwenwe ma gwenwe. De no masebu we ma dewe. E pa kekeu dani nu neni. Keke udani nu neni. No use me sing evil song. You're a disgusting person. That's why you think you can get away with that bullshit that you did. Epema uni so asinye so atie bonwe. Ebo oribie menati. I whip my better bishe. Oh hamu because war hole ma seke nuje. I seke nuje na yana si one time. I whip my better mani bishe mani. I better bishe. Oribie menati. I pan idiot. I seke nuje. Oma hoba oma weti ido gbenya de mina here. Edi gbe agbon, edi gbe de mina. Edi gbe. Oma ma mina mioma. E pa o te gweji of ya te gweji pa ke kan danu nani. E abon ya file kwa. Ika o ene, ya do suwe. Ya suwe ni san suwe. Ya suwe no je pant. E pa no je wat pan. E vie kwa arema. E pa ki me kuwe. De no mwe gbese. E pa, weta mi me pa sa majesty. Abie star ya walking. Abie sa majesty ma no kido. E star majesty. E pa keke unu ne. Agwa mo gwa bogbe. Iya we nenemi ari. Ya nenemi amana tama weti e dole do you. E pa keke unwe. Utami ani a zesuki. When you are power zesuki. Epa zesuki. Zesuki you need no zesuki. Anyone in Sony on a mini pa. Epa zesuki please. Zoe. La wo. Ebeya nyome zesuki pa. Zoe. Ebeya wome. Zesuki. Epa no keke Oh God, ona me waeti. Oge go me wele saga mo tene mi mogie. Egbe bole sere. E pa iwe nu ze suki nu keke u. E pa keke. E pa keke u e. E u nene. Me la jamawe. E pa iwe nu keke u. Keke u dali nu nene. Epa keke, eya mesi wanta. Ima seke nuje. La wo. Ave upcoming sidewe. Iya de rebaya ni ritali no ro. Iwa tope o wa ni ritali ma fi pe ju wa no winye kaka. Iya ni ritali no ro bebe. Egbegbe wa ni social media. Wa ni Facebook o. Wa agbedu wa gbiji wa se otedo wa. E ma dedo si owe ongi ma dedo. Ongi mo mo epole lo. Oba sekia. Ogi mo pole lo baseki. Ino water. Ugwe mi ekpo bi me. Ogi mo ya admi pa baton basea. Ogi mo admi orea. Ah? Na se do ima dead dojia. Umi do wo bo me a. Ale do komu jo wo bo. Ale do komu jo wo bo. Ah? No one I see one done. Another person do not go come and they sing stupid song with people named Oga do your thing. Do your own. Start from scratch. You don't know these people, this person, you are, especially me. People don't like me for me, oh. They like me for my talk. You get me? And that your stupid music now, person come and say, Mona got a report on for YouTube. If YouTube will be like, what is going on here? They will bring it down. You get me? And I can write a petition to YouTube. Uyanesi want done. I did not give you the permission to do that. Well, now. Abuma asuoma yo. Uya yame yasin want done. What's it been on Cheverio?